Good morning, students. Welcome to online learning class. Hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. Children, in previous classes, we learned about occupation. An occupation is a job or work that helps us to earn money. And there can be any number of occupations like farming, cattle rearing, poultry farming, forestry. Now, today we are going to learn about mining. Mining means digging minerals out of the earth. It is one of the most important occupations of our people. A number of minerals are found in our country. Some of them are coal, iron, copper, mica, manganese, and petroleum. A number of people are engaged in the occupation of mining. See, children, mining is the process of digging things out of the ground. Any material that cannot be grown must be mined. Mining things from the ground is called extraction. Mining can include extraction of metals and minerals like coal, diamond, gold, silver, platinum, copper, tin, and iron. Mining can also include other things like oil and natural gas. A worker in a mine is called a miner. Underground mining is a dangerous job. Many mines have accidents. Hundreds of miners die every year from accident, mostly in poor countries. Safety rules and special safety equipment is used to try and protect minerals from accidents. Underground coal mining is especially dangerous because coal can give off poisonous and explosive gases. A number of occupations are dependent on mining. Two of them are refining of minerals. See, children, it involves a number of industries working together. Exploration is followed by excavation, which is followed by crushing and milling to reduce the size of the rocks. This is followed by extraction, removing the valuable minerals from the ore, and finally refining. Second, making things from metals. Metals are very useful to people. They are used to make tools because they can be strong and easy to shape. Iron and steel have been used to make bridges, buildings, or ships. Some metals are used to make items like coins because they are hard and will not wear away quickly. A number of industries are dependent on mining. There is hardly any machine that is not made of metal. Now, fishing. Catching fish as an occupation is called fishing. India is surrounded by sea on its three sides. Many people living in coastal areas are engaged in the occupation of fishing. Fish are found in tanks, lakes, and rivers also, but the main source of fish is the sea. See, children, fishing is the activity of trying to catch fish. Fish are normally caught in the wild. Techniques for catching fish include hand gathering, spearing, netting, angling, and trapping. Fishing may include catching aquatic animals other than fish. Not all fish can live in the same kind of water. Fish can tolerate different environmental conditions, including different amount of salt, amounts of oxygen, types and amount of food, water temperature, hiding area and breeding areas. Now see, some of the occupations dependent on fishing are making soap, making fertilizer. A fresh emulsion fertilizer mixture can be easily made from one part fresh fish. Fish fertilizer is made from whole fish and carcass product, including bones, scales, and skin, rather than let unusual fish product go to waste. Preparing feed for animals. In preparing diets, preferential use of marine fish is suggested to minimize, and raw fish could be steamed or poached. See, preserving fish in tins as food. Canned fish are fish which have been processed, sealed in an airtight container such as a sealed tin can and subjected to heat. Canning is a method of preserving food and provides a typical shelf life ranging from 1 to 5 years. Fish have low acidity levels at which microbes can flourish. Now see, getting oil from some kinds of fish. Getting oil from some kind of fish oil and omega-3 supplements are popular because they are believed to have health benefits. See, tanning, that is turning animal skin into leather. Tanning hide into leather involves a process which permanently alters the protein structure of skin, making it more durable and less susceptible to decomposition and also possibly coloring it. Before tanning, the skins are dehaired, degreased, desalted and soaked in water over a period of 6 hours to 2 days. People working in schools, hospitals, banks, factories and other places do different kinds of job. Then there are writers, painters, singers, dancers, actor, sailor, pilot and many other. Some people work indoor while others work outdoors. Some work on land and other work on the sea or even in the sky. In fact, the list is endless. It is impossible to count all the different occupations people do. Occupation is basically a kind of work that a person gets involved in. It refers to the employment or profession of an individual. There can be any number of occupations. There are writers, painters, singers, dancers, actors, sailor, pilot and many other. Some people work indoor while others work outdoor. Some work on land and some work on sea and some work in the sky. It is impossible to count all the different occupations people do. Now see, points to remember. Occupation means a job that helps us to earn money. Farming is one of the main occupations of our country. Dairy farming and poultry farming are also related to farming. Forestry or lumbering is another important occupation. Making of matches, matchboxes and all woodwork are dependent on forestry. That's all for today. Thank you, students.